Introduction to UK laws. Introduction. Law, the discipline and profession concerned with the customs, practices, and rules of conduct of a community that are recognized as binding by the community. Enforcement of the body of rules is through a controlling authority. The law is treated in several articles. For a description of legal training and a general background, one may study the legal profession, legal education, and legal ethics. Articles that delineate the relationship of law to political structures are constitution, ideology, political party, and political system. For articles that discuss the importance of law regarding social justice and other social issues, one may observe human rights, land reform, and social service. For an examination of comparative legal systems and the relationship of the law to the social sciences, one can observe comparative law. For a description of Islamic law, one must have knowledge about Sharia law. For a description of Jewish law, one must know Talmud and Midrash. For an analysis of the role of law in the administration of government, one should learn administrative laws. For an exposition of social restrictions and their enforcement, one can study censorship, crime and punishment, and police. For a description of the legal aspects of war and the military, one must learn the laws related to war. How laws are made in the United Kingdom. Laws are rules that everyone in the country must obey. In a democracy, like the UK, nobody is above the law. About 100 new laws are passed each year. A proposed new law is called a bill. Bills must be agreed by both houses of Parliament and receive royal assent from the Queen before they can become Acts of Parliament which make the law. The bill is introduced by a first reading. This is simply an official notice that a bill is going to be proposed and what it's about. It gives MPs time to prepare and discuss it. Shortly afterwards comes the second reading. At this point, the principles are considered on the floor of the House. The bill is then sent to be looked at by small groups of MPs who examine the bill in detail. At the third reading, the bill is debated, and there is a vote. If the government has a majority, the bill is then passed to the House of Lords. Once a bill has passed through both houses, it is sent to the Queen for the royal assent. Once it has royal assent, the bill becomes an Act of Parliament. It is the law of the land. Since 1952, the Queen has given royal assent to 3,135 Acts of Parliament.